Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to view video offline on TikTok. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now scroll down a bit and you will find an option called Offline Videos. Here you can choose how many videos you want to download. It also shows how much data and storage space the downloads will take. Once you have made your selection, tap Download. The videos will automatically show up on your home screen when you're offline, so no need to go anywhere else. And that's it, guys. That's how you can view TikTok videos even in offline. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.